Welcome back, everybody. We are down on the East Coast finally. If y'all haven't seen yesterday's video of me traveling here, go ahead and check that out. It was a long journey, a lot of bumpiness because of weather, but hey, we made it here. Today I've got something different for you. I've got another unboxing. This is a video I've been waiting to do for quite some time now. I'm really excited to show you all. I hope you all are excited to see it. It is definitely going to change the YouTube game for me and for you all as viewers. So without further ado, I give you all the new Sony a6100. This is Sony's newest camera, I believe so. I got it from Best Buy. I'll leave their link down in the description for you all to go check out. There's a bunch of cool features on it. Let's see here. Shoots in 4K, Dolby Audio, uses Wi-Fi so you can transfer files, Bluetooth. It's full package. It's got the zoom lens kit in it. And this camera specifically is meant for vloggers. So if you all are looking for a decent price, they do have a cheaper one that is an older version of this, but it's basically the same thing. It just doesn't have all the features that this one does. So if you are looking for a lower budget camera that is under $1,000, I would definitely check out the 6100, and I forget what the other one is, but I'll link the other one down in the description too, so you all can check out both and do comparisons. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright guys, so I decided to move down to the floor so I can spread all this stuff out, but here we go. Let's see what we got in here. So we've got, let's see here, with Sony's protection plans. So we've got a protection plan thing here, so you can register your gear to get protected. That's nice. We've got limited warranty on the camera. We've got Sony's lens and accessories, like they come with QR codes and things like that. Got a reference guide here, and then in a different language. So this is a startup guide. So there's a startup guide right here. Interchangeable lens digital camera. So let's see here. Charging the battery, inserting the battery pack, supplied memory card sold separately into the camera. So the memory card is sold separately, so you have to have your own, which is not too big of a deal. Let's see what we got here. Wow. You know, for the size of the box, I thought it would be a lot bigger. So you have a charging block right there. You have this cool strap for the camera. It says Sony on it, so that's pretty cool. Here's the battery. This is this is like the lens, the little part where you put your eye up to. So if you're not looking at the screen, there's a little lens see-through thing where you put the camera up to your face. That's a little cover for it basically. And then charging cable. And then the moment you all have been waiting for. Wow. I'm so excited for this. Jeez, this thing is nice. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my gosh. This thing is so nice. Alright, so let's see here. Here's the battery. So this thing does have this cool thing where, due to it being a vlogging camera, it has a cool screen that flips up. So you can actually see yourself, which is really cool. So when you're like holding the camera out, you know, like this, you can see yourself and where you're pictured in the screen. Is really cool. So I'm really excited to start using this thing. It's gonna make shooting just so much better. The cool thing about this is it does pictures and videos. So it's not just a video camera. And you all will be seeing the outcome of this, of what it looks like here in just a sec. So let me put this new battery in, and you all will see what it looks like. So it's a Info lithium Sony battery. Just gonna slide her in right there. What we have to do is we have to turn the power off. We have to use this charging cable so the camera gets charged with the battery in it. So you never take the battery out, is what it's saying. You just use it, charge the camera through the charging cable with the battery in it, which is actually really neat. I never thought you'd do that. And let's go charge this battery up. Now that doesn't mean I'm not going to be using this camera at all. It just means that there's going to be a new camera for the main content, and then this is going to be like filming other things. I've even thought about getting another GoPro here. So we're going to plug it in right over here. This just slides right out, pops open, and this gets plugged in right there. And then how we tell it's charging, I have no idea actually. So, oh, there we go, okay. So there's a little yellow light right there. So it's charging up. So we're gonna let that charge for a little bit. The next clip you all will see is the new camera's footage. So leave a comment down below what you all think of the quality difference between the GoPro and the Sony. Again, I'll link them down below. We're gonna switch cameras in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Well, guys, this is such an amazing camera. It feels so weird holding a big camera like this compared to the old camera, which was this little GoPro right here. I mean, the difference. I'm using my whole hand to basically hold this Sony camera. I love this camera already. It's amazing. Volume, I can see, like on the screen, it shows everything. It's so cool. I'm excited to be using this more and more in these YouTube videos. This isn't going to be the main camera I'm going to be using. I'm still going to be using the GoPro, but this will be the majority of the filming that I do. I use this camera. This will be for like other cool shots and other angles. Guys, all I can say is we just opened up a whole new world to these videos. I hope you're excited. I'm excited. And that's where we're going to end today's video. Remember, if you haven't checked out The Clutching Company in a while, check it out, theclutchingcompany.com. I'll leave the link down in the description below. Also, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. That like button. Hit that bell icon so you get notified when we do another video. I've actually got another unboxing that I got to record tonight. So I'll see you all in the next video.